Again, hello my beautiful lovely people. I have been living in this apartment for about 4 to 5 months now. So we've been in here for quite a minute. Today we're doing a full apartment tour. I haven't gotten everything in my apartment. My frames haven't been hung up and I still have a lot more decorating to do, but I do want to show you where I am currently with the space because a lot has been done. There's been a lot of shopping, a lot of thrifting, and a lot of putting things places. So let's get into my apartment tour. Okay, so starting off, we have a 2-car garage, which is very helpful for me and my boyfriend to just park and then be able to come into our apartment. And then when you walk in, it's a little like cubby section. I haven't done much with this area yet, but I do want to decorate it and make it look really cute. And then same with like the upstairs stairs. I haven't done anything with like this entryway yet. Oh, Milo. Hi. Hi, buddy. I haven't done anything with the entryway yet. So walking up the stairs, it's very boring, very white walls, but it takes a while to build a home. And then you get to my living room area. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? A lot of people come into my apartment and they think I just live here by myself. And I'm like, no, my boyfriend lives here with me. They're like, oh, it looks very much like a girl apartment. I'm like, yeah, it is. But anyways, we have Golden Girls on the TV because I was just binge watching that. Everything is pretty much thrifted other than the couch. We got the couch from Living Spaces. It is the modular couch. It just was the easiest couch to bring up the stairs because let me tell you, the staircase is not easy to get things up the stairs. The entertainment stand, the TV is new, but like this place is slowly coming together. The blinds are up. Those curtains took forever to put up. They were literally just sitting by the windows and we finally got around to it. This section is kind of just like my Depop stuff that needs to go into my storage unit. Look at this gorgeous painting I got. Absolutely stunning. I thrifted this for like, I believe $20. And I'm scared to put it up because it's a very heavy frame. But I believe that's going to be a project for this weekend. And then the same thing with this mirror. It's a beautiful mirror that I thrifted, but it's also super, super heavy. So I think I'm going to put that up this weekend too. I'm thinking of putting this portrait right here on this wall because it's just such a big space and I think it would look really pretty there. And then here we just have this like little nook. I want to put a bookshelf here eventually, but I'm kind of using it as a space to store like my frames and then, you know, just things like that. This is my fireplace area. Super beautiful. I love the vintage vibes and bringing in vintage elements in a very modern space. So the picture frame that I thrifted was actually only $10 and then everything else is thrifted as well. I thrifted this fireplace holder? No, fireplace separator, divider, protector, I don't know, fireplace thing. And I believe this was $15, so not bad at all. And then we go to the kitchen. Milo will take us to the kitchen. And the kitchen is coming together. We just put the curtains up. They're lace curtains that I actually thrifted. Our kitchen table is thrifted. I got that from Salvation Army for about $250. So not bad, it's quite a steal. We do unfortunately have gray everywhere. So it is something that I'm working with. I'm trying to add like color and variety into our apartment, but it is very gray. There's this beautiful painting that I actually got for free off Facebook Marketplace, and I really want to hang it up here, but I'm not sure yet. So we'll see about that. This is what the living room looks like from this angle. I have a mirror on the wall over there that I actually DIY'd, so you can go check that out. I think I made a short about it, but it's super cute. Okay, and then if you come over here, we go into our laundry room area, and this is where I have all like the cat stuff. This rug I actually thrifted from the Goodwill bins, and it's so beautiful, so stunning. And then this little area right here is also thrifted curtains. And then I also just have some dried flowers that I'm just drying at the moment, and then some frames. I want to shout out these two because I just thrifted these, so they're going to be going up soon. But I love little pieces like this that are just like accent pieces that can hold candles. So I need to find a good home for these two pieces as well. Now we're going to make our way upstairs. And then there is also this like mini half bath. Oh, also my little elementary school t-shirt. I can never find the lights in here. This is like a half bath, just toilet, but I had put a little lamp in it, some flowers, some gold frames, and then a little like floral basket. But I didn't really do much with this space because it's pretty small. And then going upstairs, I did like a mini little like gallery wall. I did a little gallery wall, so just adding some art, some photos of pretty much everything and anything, and then some mirrors, some candles. The candle over there actually has a set, the one that I just showed you, so I'm gonna put that one right here in this empty space. And then we keep going up, up, up. I need to bring those things downstairs. So this is where my boyfriend's storing his monitors. So when he works remotely, he works over here. He just needs to get an extension cord. We just had some cleaning done, so that's why the tunnel was sitting up there like that. First room is a guest bedroom / office. Don't mind the bed, it is messy. I have been doing work on the bed. So there's just some bookcases, lots of warm lighting. The sconces are currently out of battery right now, so I do have to replace those batteries and put them on, but they do work. If you want, go look at my guest bedroom makeover and you'll see what the room looks like, complete and all tidied and put together. This is my printing station for my Depop labels, and then just like my work desk. And you know, I was realizing that I have this desk and I have like a workstation, and I rarely sit down and do actual work here. I do more work at the kitchen table than I do anywhere. This is my little like bathroom area. I do all my makeup, skincare, self-care all over here because I love the cozy vibes. Like the lamp in the background, the flowers, having a cozy little bathtub right here. I'm just obsessed and I love taking a bath. So that's what this space is looking like. Now let's go to my bedroom. So walking into my bedroom, this is what the bedroom looks like. There's a cat tower in the back for my babies, Minnie, Boss, and Milo. This rug is thrifted. The nightstands are thrifted. They don't match. Alexa, bedroom on. Okay. Alexa does control my household. This dresser is also thrifted. Minnie Boss is hungry right now, so let's feed her. Are you hungry? I keep her food in here because Milo is such a big back. He will try to eat all of her food. So I have to hide her food for her. Look at her and look at him. Milo, are you sad? Are you sad? My skinny boss. Skinny boss. Only eats one pebble, then walks away. My bed is currently a mess because those are things I'm listing on Depop, but this is what my side of the room looks like. Nightstands. I love wood nightstands. This I also got for $10, this little like TV stand. And then this dresser, I believe I got for $125. This is the master bedroom bathroom. It comes with a also massive jacuzzi tub, which is so clutch when I have my period. And then it's just like it's a really decent sized bathroom. Like if I step back a little bit, it's a pretty good bathroom. Considering we have 3 bathrooms, this one is good size. We don't need anything too large. I would consider this a large bathroom though. And that is all I have for you for my apartment tour. Like I said in the intro, a lot of stuff is not put up yet, and there is still a lot more decorating to do, because I would describe my style, my aesthetic as like maximalist, a lot. My aesthetic is a lot. I like to have a lot of things. I don't like minimalism. I don't know why I'm struggling with words today. That's not really my look, my aesthetic, so I do want to have like frames everywhere. I want the walls to be filled. I want there to be warm lighting everywhere, so there is still a lot to do. But I mean, I feel like for 5 months in, this is a very cozy, very warm space, and I'm really liking the way that everything's coming together. But if you guys liked today's video, then go ahead and check out my other room transformations, my empty apartment tour, my moving vlog. All of those are linked down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.